Hey, what's good everybody? It's your boy Tiger365. I'm back again with another video today. I'm about to review the Yeezy V2 350, the name of Statics. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, you already know the drill. Please subscribe. If you already done it, 2 thumbs up so to let you know you're racking with me. And before we start, and I wish everybody Happy New Year. I had a great Christmas. And I don't know about you guys, I have so many kicks to upload. I have enough time to do all of these, you know what I'm saying? But like, let's get to the shoes. Today's I got the V2, the Statics. There's two kinds. This one is a full reflected, and one it's like just the lace. But unfortunately, I only have the one just the lace. I'm trying to get one on Yeezy supply. I took a L, but anyways, I'll be able to bounce back, but I'm not paying that much money. Like there goes for 1500s on StockX, but I'm not paying that money. So here the shoe, y'all. Like honestly, I feel like this one is one of the best Yeezys besides the very first Yeezy was released. The reason I say that, I hate the colorways, but this one has so many things going on that shoe. It's made with the full prime knit. But it's the patterns like so different kinds. Like you can see from here. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like made like 5 different patterns, so 5 or 6 different patterns. Feel in here again the see-through on the side. Y'all be able to see my fingers, right? It's really nice though. I like the shoes the way they did it, but I hate the colorways. It's kind of clean, but come on, Yeezy, you give us too much plain. Like I want to see some blues, like purple. You know, like give me another color. You know what I'm saying? And if you own Yeezys already, you will know Yeezys never changed. The bottom is still the same. The pull top still the same. They glow, not glows in the dark, the reflectors. You can see it, like you can't see it right now, but when I got the flashlights on, you will see it. Like honestly, the quality isn't that bad. Like this is one of the best Yeezys for real. But I hate the colorways. Here the shoe, y'all, size 10, and I'm about to do the foot review. Like I said, a quick review on that shoes. So if you guys like what you just see, just give me a thumbs up, alright? Thanks, and I'm out.